Good morning. Well, as many things in life happen, it's time to turn the page. Charlene and I are looking at moving from the Basecamp to a sailboat and turning the pages to a new chapter. Let's take a quick walk around the Basecamp that we are going to put up for sale. Time to let's get started. So I'm going to talk about, many people know about the Basecamp. We're going to talk about a couple changes. First off, you'll notice this bottom door here. We have added a television set to it. So there's your cable connection and satellite connection to it. As we walk around it, next change you'll see is up front here. We have installed an electric front hitch on it. As you can see, this is the Leverite 3000 with the level on it. Works wonderfully. Takes about 10 seconds, 15 seconds to level your trailer instead of... Notice there's a cover for the max fan, and we have changed out the max fan to a fully remote, reversible rain sensor, much nicer. Continue to walk around. You'll notice there's no damages. Lights work fine. Rims haven't been scrubbed. Tires are good, and these are the Goodyear Endurance, not Marathons, but then again, they come with it. You'll notice the snaps. This does have the tent for the rear, does come with the tent for the side, as well as the awning. Let's take a look at the inside. A couple changes we've made. First off, you'll notice the refrigerator looks a little different. We've gone with a piece of magnetic stainless. We like to collect magnets from every place we go. We've added some pulls. Many people change these. Makes it nice to hold on to them a little bit. Oh look, picture of us at Graceland. Another change we've made to this, I don't know if you can see it here, is we've added lights to our doors. You'll notice motion sensors. They do react to ambient light, so if it's too much light, they don't come on. Don't waste the batteries. Another change, 2017 did not have an opening in here. We found that it does not allow it to breathe if you turn on your exhaust fan. So we've, much like we were in the 2019s, we've had it changed, and it was professionally done by Colonial Airstream, so that now it breathes a little better in the bathroom. Another change, when you get tired of parking under lights, you want to make it a little darker. We had a cover put on that's insulated. And again, we talked about the max fan. This is fully remote controlled. You'll notice you don't have all the switches. It is rain censored. Let's cover that back up. Also, in the bathroom, it's got the teak floor. You'll notice another change. It's got a medicine cabinet, same kind that are in the Bambis. We had that installed and had this moved to the other side. Has been winterized and had a cover put on there. Now we'll have insulation on the inside of that. Keeps the cold wind from blowing in through that door. Keeps some of the cold out. Talked about having a television installed. Here's the TV installed. It is an LG TV. Set up, you can plug it into your Apple or any other phone. They did a great job installing the wiring. Goes down underneath the seat, plugs right in. You'll notice the cushions are in really good condition. One more change, a change we love, is you'll notice we've gone to a Bluetooth headset or head unit for the Coleman Cub air conditioner. Got a video on that we just posted. Move a couple of these pillows over, and I want to show you something else we changed. Oops. Raw video, folks. Underneath, oh, we've got to pull this off. Another change we made is this heavy door. Just don't want it to fall on anybody's head or our own. So we've added supports. You'll notice another thing we've added. Yes, that's the part of a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Under here, there sits the Dyson with all of its tools, and it plugs in. We had a plug added in here to keep that plugged in and keep it charged. We do have the Bose, the original Bose Bluetooth would come with it as well, of course. And, oh, a little something that Charlene added. Kind of need a place to put your pencils, pens, some paper when you're working on things. So, anyways, everybody, take a quick walk back outside. Once again, we're putting our Airstream up. Give us a call. I'm Don. There's my number. And we look forward to somebody else taking it out and enjoying it as we move on to our next chapter. Thank you very much. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining.